Hi guys, welcome to the Occasional Biker. Today we're going to be cutting down and fitting the forks to the Camino L. So the basic process is that we fit the forks to the frame, offer it up, put the amount of spaces we'd like underneath the stem, fit the rest of the headset, fit the stem, and then mark off roughly where we'd like the stereo tube to be to finish, taking off 2 or 3 mil to give us clearance for the top cap to get everything nice and tight. And then we take it down with a large hacksaw, finish it off and get everything fitted. So let's get cracking. The first thing is the crown race onto the forks. These are a split crown race, so they're much easier to get on. Then we need the lower bearing. Then we need to offer this up to the frame. Then we need the upper bearing. Upper cup cover. Now usually these form a tight enough fit to stop water and dirt getting down that they'll hold the fork in the frame. There you go. So then we need to fit the amount of spaces that we think we'll need. I usually like to run about 20 mil spaces underneath the stem, and that gives me a bit of flexibility. Move the stem up or down if I need to. And put on the stem. I also like to put another 5 mil spacer just on top of the stem as well. Again, gives me a bit more wiggle room for adjustment. So that is roughly where we're going to need to cut the steerer down to on the forks. So get out marker. And there we go. And now we're marked up. Okay, now we've got the steerer tube marked up, we can go ahead and cut just below the line to give us a bit of clearance. Okay, now we're ready to cut down the steerer. Just got a normal large hacksaw. And I've wrapped the carbon fork blades just up in an old towel just to protect them while I cut down the steerer tube. So let's get started. Okay, so there we go. Got the fork steerer cut down. Just needs a bit of a tidy up, a bit of a file, and then the next step is to fit the staff angle nut. There you go. Not bad. Okay, next we fit the staff angle nut, and basic procedure for this is just to bash it into the tube. The reason there's one of the reasons there's 2 layers to these is that the second layer, even if if it doesn't start to go in straight, the second layer is supposed to straighten the nut up. So you just bash it in probably about 5mm below the top of the steerer tube, and that allows you to clamp everything together. So I have an old headset bolt that I used to do this with. So here we go, stop angle nut, old bolt threaded all the way through it. I'll just give you the tap down into the steerer tube. There you go, staff angle nut, about 5mm deep, not coming out of there. So that's the forks ready, let's get them fitted to the frame. So there we go, we've got the forks fitted to the frame and the bike's now ready for the next stage of the build. So hope you enjoyed that, and like, subscribe and follow me on the next step. Cheers.